Hello, everyone. We're here with Lena Grundhofer at NFT NYC. We've had her on the show before. What's going on in the world of NFTs? What are you excited for in the following this whole week?
Yeah, I mean, a lot of questions, but happy to answer them. So Zeitgeist is my agency. We're a boutique strategy agency based out of New York City that specializes in Web3 gaming and entertainment. All of our clients have amazing activations across the week, including WebStop. We have a booth here today. Tomorrow I'm speaking on the conference, and we're also going to be speaking with people across the week, as well as promote an event with Samurai Saga. So a lot of really fun activations across the week, and we're really excited to kick things off and hit the ground running.
Why gamers hate NFTs? Now, hate is a pretty strong word.
There's Web2 gamers and there's Web3 gamers, right? There's a 3 billion person market in the Web2 gaming space, and I think there's been a lot of association to scams in the past. There's a lot of unknowns in terms of education. People affiliate making money with, playing with NFTs. So there's just a lot of ups and downs in terms of the possibilities ahead. But in terms of unlocking that potential with like tokenomics and everything in between, a lot of games that are entering space now with Polygon, now with Immutable and so forth, there's going to be a bright future ahead. It's only a matter of